Welcome again to another episode of Creating the Supply Chain of Tomorrow. Right here from our logistics corner, I would like to show you a very efficient hands-free solution for intralogistics, so-called voice picking. Let's have a closer look.
The rugged handheld Toughbook in1 is used as part of a voice picking solution for the warehouse. It guides the warehouse worker around the facility with picking instructions and acknowledgments via microphone and headset. Using these instructions, they will pick up the items from the product boxes on the shelves and prepare the orders. As a second option, operators can also receive goods and match them to the correct place in the warehouse. Finally, damaged or wrong goods can be inspected via the system. Operator can have both hands free, and thanks to that, the overall productivity can be improved and human errors reduced.
So, I hope you found the solution, which is again only one example of many solutions, very interesting. Please contact us for individual consultancy for your specific business needs. Hope to see you in the next video as well about volume measurement. Bye!